Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Confirm the target device model, OS version, and available storage so you avoid compatibility surprises. Once done, back up the clone app data and settings to cloud or a local file to protect progress. Next, enable developer options and USB debugging when required, because these let you inspect logs and install debug builds. These first actions set you up to diagnose crashes instead of chasing symptoms. You now reproduce the crash while capturing logs with Logcat or platform-specific tools. Focus on stack traces and timestamps so you can pinpoint where it fails. Then disable non-essential services, third-party plugins, and background sync to isolate whether integrations cause the fault. Make a clean clone build and compare behavior on the original versus the clone. Differences often reveal missing permissions, resources, or misconfigured manifests. Keep narrowing to the smallest. You apply the targeted fix discovered from logs. For example, adjust the manifest, correct file paths, rebuild and re-sign the clone, then install it for a focused test. Run integration and stress tests while monitoring memory, threads, and ANRs so you confirm stability across scenarios. If the crash persists, fall back to your backup and enable a debug overlay or verbose logging to gather deeper traces. This gives you a safe rollback and the data needed for the next fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.